Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Bukiblaq. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this butterfly locks. The hairstyle is giving, so beautiful. So if that's why you're here, please stay tuned so you can enjoy every step that I'll be showing you. The first thing I need to do is to use this on my hair. Yeah, this is the mega growth straightener. I'm going to apply this on my hair to soften it. So I'm going to be using 2 packs of this, guys, for the butterfly look. Now I'm going to apply the leave-in straightener to my hair. Then I begin to section the hair to make braids with my natural hair. So I'm going to section this hair now and I'm going to make the braids now. So guys, please watch this video to see how I achieve the hairstyle. At this point, I was done with the braids, so I decided to draw my brows, a quick makeup. I have my crochet pin here, so this is what I'm going to use to attach the hair extension to my natural hair. Guys, just watch me do this. So now I have the crochet pin in my hair, so I'm going to use the pin to drag in the hair extension just like I'm doing in this video. Then I'll make sure that I have a longer hand and a shorter one. That's the longer part of the hair extension and the shorter part. So just watch me do this. Once this is done, all I need to do is to put my hair in between the shorter hair extension. Then I'm going to just wrap the longer part around the hair. Right, guys, this is very simple, and I'm going to make about 2 inches wrap before I start doing the butterfly. Guys, just watch me do this in this video. Once it is up to 2 inches, I'll begin to use my thumb or my index finger to create a butterfly-like space on the hair. Okay. So if you notice, I'm using my thumb here now. I can as well use my index finger, so I just need to wrap the extension around my thumb and then slowly remove my thumb right? So this is going to make the hair look butterfly like, kind of like it's not too tight and then it's not too loose. So putting my thumb or my index finger will make it a bit loose. So just watch what I do in this video. So once it's towards the end, in case the extension is not long enough, you can add, just like I'm doing here. I added to the hair extension and I continue to wrap till the end of the hair. If you find this video really helpful, please give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe, and please turn on the post notification so you can always get notified once I post new videos, guys. So it's very simple. It's something that you can actually achieve yourself. So here I'm done. I'm almost done. I'm just trying to arrange the locks here to see what it looks like actually. So guys, please, I hope you've learned something. Now we've come to the end of this video. Look at me here rocking the hair, and I have my red lipstick on. So what I just did was just to do edges on the hair. So guys, please like my video, share and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.